Hey, if you want to download new ringtones for your POCO X6 Pro, for sure you can do this. So first, you will have to navigate into the settings, and then from here you will have to go into the themes. Now just keep tapping on this phrases until you find the ringtone, and from here you can, for example, use the search bar and type something. Let's say that I want to get 3 ringtones, and here I can find the list of all 3 ringtones. So let's try, for example, this one. So that's how it sounds. And if I want to download it, I have to click just right here on it, on this icon, and set, for example, as a ringtone. And now it is downloading, and as you can see, it was applied successful. So now we have to wait for this few seconds and we can continue browsing. And just to be sure that it's really set up, you can go into the settings, open the sound and vibration, open the ringtone, and when you go for the pre-installed ringtones, you can actually find it that it's switched into the prone mounterings, this one that we actually choose from the themes. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.